Well, I just purchased the NUWAVE Pro Infrared Oven. We're using the NUWAVE Infrared Oven, the Pro model. It's a digital version. And today what we're going to be doing is cook half-baked potatoes. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! These were cooked in the oven. They're not all the way cooked. Matter of fact, they're cold. So what we're going to do is we're going to not put anything on them. We're going to put the cover back on. Alright, that says it's at 0. You press the power level, which is on high, just like you're cooking in the oven, because our eye is 350 degrees. And then you press time cook, and we're going to do 30 minutes. The other one on the other side of a colon is hours. And then we're going to press start. Right away the fan starts. Alright, we'll see you in 30 minutes, and we'll see if this will finish the potatoes that weren't cooked enough in the oven. So you can see we're at 27 minutes. So we're at 18 minutes and it's still cooking. So when it reaches 15 minutes, I'm going to flip the potatoes over. See, 18 more minutes to go. I have 1 more minute before I start the 15. I've got to flip them anyway. Now what I've done is I've pressed the pause button. Now you need to put this in a safe place, and right here it's pretty hot. So this is stone, so it's going to be safe. And you need to protect the cord from this area because it's all hot. The area around here. Okay, now quick 90. Alright, so easy with the grill marks to see where they're at. Put the dome back on. Don't have to worry about the electrical cord. Alright, so right now everything is stuck, and then we press start again. And right away it starts for the next 15 minutes. Because we're estimating that it'll take 30 minutes to cook the potatoes. Alright, we'll see in a little bit. You see the end here? So it ends the unit, so you don't have to worry about it. Say you timed something and you didn't have, so I'm going to turn off the timer. Now before you wash it, and this is sort of obvious, but sometimes people don't know, you have to let it cool completely. And you never wash this top part where my finger is. That's your electronics, so nothing is ever going to be, that is never going to be washed. You probably can clean this off very easily with a mild towel, but you don't want to get any of the electronics wet. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pick this up. And make sure the cord is not touching the bowl. Now we're going to test the potatoes. We're going to use this fork here, and you see how the potato is going right in? These are completely cooked, goes all the way through. But regardless, these half-baked potatoes are now ready. Now we're just going to let these cool the way they are. So thank you very much for watching this video using the NUWAVE Pro Infrared Oven. I look forward to seeing you soon in our next video. We'll be making a lot more of these recipes.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.